morning, dear students. How are you? I hope you are fine. Dear student, this is chapter number 8 from your English reader book, and in last video we discussed chapter number 7. This is chapter number 8 from the English reader book of class 18. The name of chapter is The Proudly Brahmin. This is a story, very interesting story, very short story. And before reading this story, let us discuss the word meaning of this chapter, which are given on page number 41, dear students. Okay, intelligent. First one is intelligent. Intelligent means wise, very intelligent, and frightened means afraid. Afraid. Further, we can divide afraid means to fear. Surprise means amaze and surprise. Surprise the things which occur suddenly. Be surprised by that. Like if you are right now sitting here and your father say, "Okay, I will bring a new bicycle." It is surprising for you. Or your gift given by your father, say new mobile, okay, it's gift. And began means to start something. Woke up means awoke. Early morning you wake up, that is woke up. And angry here means strange. Strange means something new to you, okay. Like this Zoom app, if you are first time you are using, this is new to you, that is strange. And replied means answer something. Question and answer, that is if you answer something is replied. If I say name of your, like while we take attendance, say so, yes sir, present sir, that is answer, okay. Now please means happy. Please means happy. Today is Sunday, I am very pleased, or this weather is very good, I am pleased. So these are some words and meanings which are going to occur in your this explanation of this chapter. That's why we discuss this, okay. So the proudly Brahmin, what happened in this story, dear students, what happened is there is one Brahmin who is very proud of his intelligence, okay. So once upon a time in famous Mughal emperor Akbar ruled on India. Birbal was a very wise and intelligent minister, as you all know. Birbal is very wise minister in the court of Akbar, okay. He was very famous for, he is always gives some many ideas, advices to emperor, and he was very famous for his intelligence. What happened, dear students, one day a Brahmin come in the court of Akbar and welcomed him with a great respect and said, "I can speak many languages, but I want your courtiers to compete with me and tell what is my mother tongue." Dear students, mother tongue means like our mother tongue is Hindi. The mother tongue means the language which our mother speak to us, and in locality which we are living, that is our mother tongue. Like our mother tongue is Hindi, and some side if you go in Andhra Pradesh, and that is mother tongue is Telugu, okay, and that is somewhere is English, and somewhere is some Spanish and different languages, Chinese language, that is the native language, and mother language of people living in their region, that is the mother tongue. So what happened is that Brahmin, this proudly Brahmin, he challenged all the courtiers present there that the one who tell my original language, that is my mother tongue. And even Birbal was unable to do so. Lots of people try, but they are unable to fail, and challenge and requested him. But when everybody fails, the emperor accepted the challenge and requested him to stay for a few days. The Brahmin accepted his request. He want him to stay here, and we will solve your that thing. So then what happened, dear students, is once when this Brahmin is Brahmin is doing prayer, offering prayer to his the Brahmin start prayer of Ma Durga in Bengali, okay, in Bengali language. When what happened, the whole body, a thief into the room, the thief came into the room, that is Birbal, dear students. He covered a black Brahmin and woke, and so he tried to frighten him, okay, tried to frighten that Brahmin. And the Brahmin, what did is he start praying in Bengali language. Then thief is no one but he is Birbal, dear students. Birbal solved this case. He go in his room in form of a thief, and he tried to frighten him. And what he did, he start like like Vishnu, Bhutu, Hanuman, Gyamun, Sar, like in being using in Hindi language. Okay, but he start that thing preparing to Ma Durga in which language? Bengali language. So he easily recognized. He called the Akbar and present him in court, and he easily recognized that the here mother tongue is his mother, the Brahmin's mother tongue is Bengali. Okay, he belongs to Bengal, and his mother tongue is Bengali, and it also accepted by Birbal. Sorry, accepted by that Brahman. And he said that when a person is in trouble, he always used to speak his mother tongue. And when he saw that thief, he got frightened and he started praying in Bengali language. That's why his mother tongue is Bengali. And Brahmin also accept his mother tongue, and Birbal told not to be proud of his. Birbal told him not to be proud of his, knowledge. We each and everybody is having different type of knowledge. We should never proud on that. Okay. Thank you, dear students, for watching this very easy and interesting story. I hope you understand this. So read this story once again. Later on in second video, I will send you PDF of your multiple choice question, fill in the blanks and question and answer true and false. Okay, till now just read this story once again and watch this story once again. Okay. Thank you, dear student, for watching this. Thank you.